hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only.
Top of the morning, Bay, with Good Morning Bay.
Get to know about the traffic on your way and what's news around the world today.
Some wisdom skills along the way.
Oh, and a song to hum along with and sway.
Get your perfect entertaining start to the day.
At 9 a.m. every weekday morning with
Mahima's
Good Morning Bay.
Good morning, Bay. आप सभी लोग हमारी तरफ से प्यार भरा नमस्ते,
Namaskar.
वणक्कम,
Namaskara.
खुशामदीद,
Salam alaikum.
सत श्री अकाल,
Nikandriki vandanamu.
जय स्वामी नारायण,
Jai Shri Krishna.
जय जिनेंद्र।
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे याली मदद.
मोराली बदल बोलते सारे फीजी मंदिर को बोलेंगे नीसा बुला बरजन। हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे। मैं से फालतू बाबा।
And of course, myself, Faltu Rani, लेकर आपके लिए एक और drive time that's going to make it totally exciting and totally mastani बंदू जानी.
And right now, but a quick look at what's happening on the roads with our raste ka haal, ekdam total sustenance.
It's time for the Bandu Traffic Update. Call us from wherever you are at 408-912-2479.
Barajan, traffic-wise, it is still the COVID sheltering in place. We are still sheltered in place, Barajan. Please note that very clearly. We have almost, like today, including today, it's going to be 154 days of sheltering in place. Another week, and we would have completed half a year of sheltering in place to fight this virus called COVID, or should I say coronavirus. And COVID-19 is what it's called, Barajan. And of course, still, please maintain the physical distancing if you can, and also wash your hands, stay hygienic, stay healthy as much as possible. The weather is not kind of helping also. It's kind of mixed things. Yesterday, if you notice, many people posted on Facebook as well, the thunder, lightning happening over here seemed like anomalies for many people. But what was really an anomaly was the fact that the heat, oh my God, it was so hot yesterday. And to think that actually rained in the morning as well, but in some parts of the Bay Area, of course. There is high wind advisory on 580 eastbound and westbound between Vasco Road and Livermore. If you're going that side, watch out for that. And a report of a fire, Balajan, actually on 680 northbound south of Pleasanton near Sunol Road. So watch out for that. In fact, yesterday, I suppose there were some fires in different regions in the same area near Milpitas, North Milpitas, and also close to those Sunol areas. There were a lot of fires there. So you might find the whole atmosphere kind of being foggy. It's not fog, actually, it's smoke. So watch out for that and spare the day, I suppose. Spare the air day, I suppose. Watch out for that. And right now, let's take a quick look at what's happening in the news for you guys. And this is the news updates coming for you. It's more the headlines. What we'll do, we'll take a look at the headlines and see what's happening, and then we'll come back for news detail after the Gane Akira. But right now, Bajan, this is your headlines for today.
The United States tops 170,000 COVID-19 deaths. As Democrats prepare to nominate Biden, widespread fears are rampant about the unfair election process. Trump is offering counter-programming to Democrats with rallies in 4 states, because we know that the Democratic Convention is today, so Trump is holding rallies in 4 different states. Trump also defends the U.S. Postal Service changes as Democrats begin to mount pressure about investigating that. The Trump administration approves oil leasing now in Alaskan Wildlife Refuge. In the major issue that's happening in Belarus, Lukashenko is finally saying that he's willing to hand over power after referendum. He says, "I'm not a saint." The U.S. is tightening restrictions on Huawei access to technology and chips. Amazon is now in talks with cloud services company Rackspace to buy them out. From India, sad news coming out. Music legend Pandit Jasraj passes away at the age of 90 right here in the United States. 100 Congress leaders have written to Sonia Gandhi urging a leadership change, says Sanjay Jha, but the party is refuting the claim. So these were the headlines. We'll get more details shortly.
And right about a quick look at the Gunning Akita, and then we'll be back with the news in detail for you guys, which you can find on the news blog mediamahima.com. And I think this is a song from the movie Tanaji about, of course, the I should say We're coming out of the, the patriotic stuff and everything, right? So Independence Day and everything. This was a good song actually because Monday ke din Shivji ka bhi yaad karna very important hai. So here you go, a song which again I don't know who the singers are of the song. I can find out for you guys, but this is a beautiful song. I think Mehul Vyas is the music direction for this. And sung by himself, Mehul Vyas' voice.
Shankara Re Shankara Re Shankara Re Shankara Shankara Re Shankara Re Shankara Re Shankara Guj 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 dhar pakad guj guj pakad 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 Shankara Re Shankara Re Shankara Re Shankara Chand chatur meri khopadi mein rakt ka diya jala Chand chatur meri khopadi mein rakt ka diya jala पूछ मेरी चिंगारी है अकड़ मेरी मतवाली है नाच गाने तलवारे हैं बोली में अंगारे हैं लोमड़ी की खाल लिए शेरों की चाल चला नौटंकी खेल से टोली का चूल्हा चला बूझ 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 धर पकड़ बूझ बूझ पकड़ पकड़ पकड़
कोंडाण्याचे मावळ्या तुझ्या कोंडाण्याचे आधी लगीन कोंडाण्याचे मावळ्या तुझ्या कोंडाण्याचे
दिल के पट खोल रे स्वामी तेरा आया रे पाँव में जंग लिए नौटंकी लाया रे ऊंची है दीवारें कूदने को आया रे बूझ 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 धर पकड़ बूझ बूझ पकड़ 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 शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा रे शंकरा चंड चतुर्सी खोपड़ी में रक्त का दिया जला चंड चतुर्सी खोपड़ी में रक्त का दिया जला
An energetic song to start the week off for you guys. And yes, COVID shelter in place. तो क्या हुआ? हम लोग तो social distancing नहीं करने वाले हैं, Braja. We're going to stay in touch with you guys. Yes, you can always give us a call here. We're going to be a morning and evening for you guys with Good Morning May in the morning and with the Pam Pam show in the evening where we try to connect with you guys socially ताकि हमें भी कुछ अच्छा लगे, right? Because we rarely get to meet people nowadays because of the COVID shelter in place. Everybody's scared to meet in person. And जो भी होता है Zoom पे होता है. Zoom पे क्या मजा आता है? No मजा आता है. I'm sorry. It still lacks that. I'm not very good at working at Zoom and everything. Faltwani, on the contrary, loves to Zoom. She's like zooming around always, right, Faltwani?
Yes, I am.
What do you say? Any tidbits about how to make a Zoom meeting interesting in your view? All those meetings happening. How do you make a Zoom meeting interesting, Faltwani?
By doing everything that you can
As
to
what?
keep others engaged.
As vague as possible. So
Yeah.
would you be actually trying to dance if people are not?
Yes, we do dance. We do. On our Pragna sessions, we dance, we sing, we
Pregnancy
play
don't
games.
count, yeah. I'm talking about meetings.
Yeah, of course.
Even meetings you would dance, like suppose somebody's tuning out of the meeting?
Sure, why not? If you
Sure,
feel-
why not?
if
So
you feel
you're
like-
actually saying that no, it doesn't work, but actually probably you might want to
Well,
do it.
there's only that many Zoom meetings that you can do in a day. It's really not as fun. The whole idea about meeting in person is you could go out, you could meet, you could do a meeting while you're walking, you could do a meeting at a coffee shop, you could do a
Yeah,
meeting in
that's
the
one
office.
thing Faltwani does. She does meeting while she's walking. See, that's a good thing, right, Faltwani?
Yeah,
Was
yeah.
it the original idea or did you copy with somebody else?
No, it was somebody else. I think somebody who was doing it. Well,
Uh-huh.
On
And you
one of
thought,
the
like, why can't I do it also?
yeah,
See,
why
that's
not?
why I want you to share ideas, Father, so people can make their meetings interesting.
Yeah, exactly.
Some people can take a meeting in your backyard if you want it. Some people can take a meeting in the kitchen and you can show them what you're making also.
Yeah.
And share it with us if you can. With me at least, I'm Fazrani. And right now, Bajana, let's go back and see what's news. Fazrani, what's news with the COVID? Yeah, you said 170 deaths in the US already?
Yes,
Is
as
that
of,
something to be alarmed of?
as of today, according to the Worldometer info, the number of coronavirus cases in the United States is at 5,574,276. The number of deaths is now 173,189. This is something that nobody ever shares. The number of people who have recovered from coronavirus are 2,924,931 cases.
So rate of recovery is 50% approximately.
Roughly.
50%.
A
So
little,
still a dangerous
a little over that.
Well, it's already 5.5 million cases.
Yeah, but this is almost 3 million. So it's a little over 50%.
Almost like, no. Yeah, whatever. 3 million. But point, Bhattajan, is yes, people are recovering. The point is that not the point of recovering. The point that the virus also is kind of morphing as it goes into different people.
Right.
So hence it's important for us to stay in place and just not give it a more I would say a variety of buffet for it to feed on.
Right.
When I say that, I don't mean like I was going to feed on us. Like, it survives in different atmospheres and try to morph itself, and that's why it becomes very difficult to find a vaccine for it. But then, if you're wondering why it's so difficult for them to find a vaccine, because the virus is mutating every time it goes into a new host.
Right.
So that's something which you got to be mindful of. So please stay healthy, stay safe, stay physically distanced from people. But Falguni, I had a question for you. So when they talk about these numbers, is it like after the fiasco of the numbers being data being
exactly.
lost from the CDC to the administration and then back to the CDC again?
This is as of today. All the
So is it
information
current?
that's
Like,
been-
oh wow, okay,
Yeah.
cool. So they were able to find the missing data then.
Yes. And of course, some of the big news coming out is that today is the Democratic National Convention. It kicks off today. The completely virtual event is going to play out among 4 state setups in New York City, Los Angeles, Milwaukee, and Wilmington, Delaware, and will culminate with the formal nomination of former Vice President Joe Biden and his newly minted vice presidential running mate, Senator Kamala Harris. Usually these conventions are over-the-top affairs with hours of programming, but experts say this year scaled-down versions, and the DNC will only air 2 hours of primetime programming a day, could have a long-term impact on how conventions are held in the future as well.
Oh, interesting.
Yes, and while the Democrats are preparing to nominate Joe Biden, there are huge, widespread fears about whether there's going to be a fair election at
Wait,
all or not.
for people who actually like me who don't know much about the politics, why is this again a Democratic convention when they already have decided that Joe Biden is a presidential candidate or hopeful? Or, well, I don't know what it's called. Incumbent, is it? No. What's it called?
Well, it's a convention where they want to make. There's all this pomp and show about how this person is being nominated. There'll be other people who'll come forward. So typically,
Oh, like
a
officiating it, like it's ratifying the fact that
Yeah.
they picked him and he's the. Oh.
And at the same time, it's also the fact that there are many other leaders, the Democratic Party leaders, and this is the time that they rally support. Like even the undecided ones are invited to this convention.
So
And
there's
then
still a
people-
hope for people like me who support Kamala Harris to be president to be switching to her. No, they'll not switch that, of course.
What?
Like, Kamala Harris being president and Joe Biden vice president. No, it's not going to happen.
No, that's not going to happen. Yet
Ah,
as
wishful
Democrats
thinking.
nationwide are gathering this week to nominate him as their party's choice to challenge President Donald Trump on November 3rd, many fear that Biden may just do that for factors almost entirely out of his control. The former vice president and his allies have every reason to feel bullish. Polls are showing him in the lead, but there is major fear that's rampant right now with regard to the the voter suppression that's happening with mail-in voting. And what is our President Donald Trump doing about it? Well, with visits to 4 states scheduled, US President Donald Trump is planning to inject himself as often as possible this week into the Democrats' carefully choreographed plans to nominate Joe Biden as their presidential candidate.
I like the way you actually are wording the whole thing, Fatmani. That's a Badhujan media's wordplay. See that? Injecting means something foreign coming into something which is not welcome.
Exactly.
Oh my god, Padhani, you're like very smart.
It's not me. It's Reuters.
Wow, my god.
Or
media.
CNN.
Look at that, you always hide behind that thing. You know, imagine Sanjay that song, right? Sutram ke anusar.
Sutron ke anusar. Well, here is what he's doing. He is going to be conducting these. He's going to travel to Mankato, Minnesota, Oshkosh, Wisconsin on Monday, Yuma, Arizona on Tuesday, and Biden's hometown of Scranton, Pennsylvania on Thursday.
Really?
So,
Biden's hometown?
Yeah. He's going to go there
The
too.
audacity, man.
Yeah, seriously. The Trump campaign senior advisor Jason Miller told ABC's This Week on Sunday that the campaign expects Biden to get a convention bounce from the week of Democratic activities. But, there's also going to be this law and order theme that President Donald Trump is going to be pushing as well. Trump administration has also approved oil leasing in Alaska Wildlife Refuge.
Yeah.
Thank you, Altu Baba.
You're welcome.
Well, that's my signal, Bandhujan. I am out of time for sharing the news items with you. We will bring you all these updates right on MediaMahima.com. You can go and check it out over there. There are some really important news items that we are sharing with regard to Pandit Jasraj passing away, and also the latest on the Sushant Singh Rajput case, which is revealing now that which is basically rubbishing the information about his depression, that he was not suffering from depression. You
Oh,
can go
really?
check it out on MediaMahima.com. That's all we have time for on Good Morning Bay. We'll see you tonight live at 5 on the Pam Pam Show. Have a magnificent Monday.
Re Shankara, Re Shankara, Re Shankara. Shankara, Re Shankara.